Hello everyone, good day for all. Welcome back to another episode of Ayur Samveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev and you are watching Steady Ashtanga Hridaya series. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. In the last videos, we were discussing Dosha Bhediya Adhyaya. If you have not watched those videos, please click the I button to access them. Moving with the same chapter, the combination of doshas are being described next. There are different combinations of doshas. In the first chapter, it has been mentioned about Samsarga and Sannipata. When there is combination of two doshas, we call it as Samsarga, and when three doshas are combined, we call it as Sannipata. But the degree of this doshas with which they are combining may not be equal in all the times. So based on the variations in the combinations, there are different number of combinations of the doshas. So the different number of combination of doshas are being mentioned further. Vakshante ataha param dosha vritthikshaya vibhedatah. Vakshante ataha param dosha vritthikshaya vibhedatah. Vakshante ataha param dosha vriddhi kshaya vibhedatah. So the combination, total number of combinations are told to be 62 in number, and this combination can be either in the vriddhi or in the kshaya. That is, when two doshas combine, either it can be combining for the vriddhi or in kshaya avastha also they can combine together. That is, either two doshas can combine or three doshas can combine. So either by this vriddhi or kshaya, the various number of combinations of doshas are being taking place. So by vriddhi and kshaya, 62 combinations of doshas are there, and it is being described further how this dosha combinations are being done. Prithak trin vidhi samsargas tritha tatra tu tannava trin eva samaya vritya षडेकस्य अतिशायने त्रयोदश समस्तेषु षड्द्वेक अतिशयेन तु एकं तुल्य अधिकैः षट् च तारतम्य विकल्पनात् पञ्चविंशतिमित्येवं वृद्धैः क्षीणैश्च तावतः. पृथक् त्रीन् विद्धि संसर्गः त्रिधा तत्र तु तान् नव त्रीन् एव समया वृद्ध्या षड् एकस्य अतिशायने त्रयोदश समस्तेषु षड्द्वेक अतिशयेन तु एकं तुल्य अधिकैः षट् च तारतम्य विकल्पनात् पञ्चविंशति इति एवं वृद्धैः क्षीणैः च तावतः. पृथक् त्रीन् विद्धि संसर्गः त्रिधा तत्र तु तान् नव त्रीन् एव समया वृद्ध्या षड् एकस्य अतिशायने त्रयोदश समस्तेषु षड्द्वेक अतिशयेन तु एकं तुल्य अधिकैः षट् च तारतम्य विकल्पनात् पञ्चविंशति इति एवं वृद्धैः क्षीणैः च तावतः. So here first regarding the vriddhi has been mentioned. Prithak trin, that is the individually three doshas can increase or vriddhi can happen. That is, vada vriddhi can happen or pitta vriddhi or kapha vriddhi can happen. So this is the three conditions, that is three doshas individually can happen, and they constitute the three in number. Samsargaha tritha. In the combination of two doshas also, they are three in number. That is vada pitta or vada kapha or pitta kapha. So in individually there can be three dosha vritthis, that is either vada, either pitta or either kapha, and also samsarga. In the combination of two doshas also there can be three combinations, that is vada pitta or vada kapha or pitta kapha. Samsargaha Nava in total, that is in samsarga, that is in combination of two doshas. We have already mentioned vada pitta, vada kapha and pitta kapha, but the degree of this doshas involving in this samsarga in vriddhi may not be equal. That is, vada pitta, if we are considering, vada and pitta may not be having the equal proportion in which they undergo the vriddhi. So because of this taratamya bhetena, we can consider total of 9 combinations in samsarga. Trineva samaya vritya and षडेकस्य अतिशायने. That is, this 9 is being formed by 3 combinations by equal proportion of increase in the doshas and 6 composition or combination by 1 dosha which is having the predominance. It is being given examples. 3 neva samaya vrittya, that is the 3 doshas are undergoing equally vritti. That is, for example, the vritti of vata and pitta. Same manner the vata and pitta dosha are undergoing vritti, and in the same time the kapha dosha will be normal. And similarly, the same increase of vata and kapha dosha and same increase of pitta and kapha dosha. So this way we get 3 combinations of dosha vritti in samsarga. And similarly, Shadekasya Adishayane, one dosha will be more predominant or more increased than the other. For example, Vritti and Vritthitara. That is, Vada dosha is Vritti or increased, and Vritthitara, Pitta, is more aggravated than Vata. Similarly, such 6 combinations can be considered. That is, Vata Vritti and Pitta Vritthitara. Pitta is Vritti, Vada Vritthitara. Kapha Vritti, Pitta Vritthitara. Pitta vritti and kapha vritthitara, and kapha vritti vada vritthitara, and vada vritti kapha vritthitara. So here vada pitta kapha will be vritti, and the other doshas again vada and pitta and kapha will be vritthitara, that is more increased than the other dosha. So such 6 combinations can be considered, and in total there are 9 combinations for samsarga. Next, the combination of 3 doshas, that is Sannipata Avastha, Trayodasha Samasteshu. In Sannipata Avastha, or the combination of 3 doshas, there are total 13 combinations, that is Shadvi Eka Atishayena. 6 combinations are there by 1 or 2 doshas in predominance. Ekam Tulya Adhikaihi. All the doshas in same proportion or equal proportions, 1 combination is there. And Shat Taratamya Vikalpanat. And with the disproportionate divisions or combinations, there are 6 in number. So total 13 combinations are present for the Sannipata. For example, Shat Dvi Eka Atishayena. With the 1 dosha predominance, there are 6 combinations. So Vrittha and Adivrittha, that is, the Vritti is there, and more than that the other doshas will be undergoing Vritti. So Kapha will be Vritti and Vada Pitta will be Adivritti. Pitta Vritti and Vada Kapha Adivritti. Vada Vritti, Pitta Kapha Adivritti. Similarly, Pitta Kapha Vritti and Vada Adivritti. And again Pitta will be Adivritti and Vada Kapha Vritti, and Kapha Adivritti and Vada Pitta Vritti. So in such way 6 combinations are there in the combination of 1 or 2 doshas which are increased little more. Thus Panjavimshati iti evam vritthaihi kshinaihi cha tavataha. Thus, in respect of vritti, there are 25 combinations, and similarly in the kshina or kshaya avastha also 25 combinations are present. That is, the vritti and kshaya, that is in samsarga and sannipata avasthas, total 25 combinations are there for both vritti and both kshaya. Ekeka vritti samada kshayehi षट् ते पुनश्च षट् एक क्षय द्वन्द्य वृद्ध्या सविपर्यया अपि ते एक वृद्धि समता क्षयैः षट् ते पुनः च षट् एक क्षय द्वन्द्व वृद्ध्या सविपर्यया अपि ते एक वृद्धि समता क्षयैः षट् ते पुनः च षट् एक क्षय द्वन्द्व वृद्ध्या सविपर्यया अपि ते. Next, further combination of the doshas. Ekeka vritti samata kshayehi shat. There are 6 combinations in which 1 dosha will be in samavastha, 1 dosha will be in vritti, and 1 dosha in kshayavastha. Such combinations, 6 number of combinations can be made with the dosha. For example, Vada will be in vritthavastha, Pitta in samavastha, and Kapha in kshayavastha. Similarly, Pitta vritti, Vada samata, and Kapha kshaya. Kapha vritti, Pitta samata, and Vada kshaya. Thus, these 6 combinations of doshas can be made by vritti of 1 dosha, samada or normalcy of 1 dosha, and kshaya of 1 dosha in sannipata avastha. भेद द्विषष्टिर्निर्दिष्टा त्रिषष्टः स्वास्थ्य कारणम. भेदा द्विषष्टिः निर्दिष्टा त्रिषष्टः स्वास्थ्य कारणं भेदा द्विषष्टिः निर्दिष्टा त्रिषष्टः स्वास्थ्य कारणं. So it has been mentioned that there is 62 combinations of dosha. That is, the doshas can be either increased or decreased. That is, either vriddhi or kshaya can happen by individual doshas. That is, either vada vriddhi or kshaya, or pitta vriddhi or pitta kshaya, or kapha vriddhi or kapha kshaya. And in samsarga conditions, there are total 9 combinations mentioned, and sannipatavastha there are total 13 combinations mentioned, and thus 25 combinations are being mentioned for both vriddhi and kshaya. And also the sannipata avastha, the 6 combinations are mentioned based on the kshaya of one dosha, samata of one dosha, and vriddhi of one dosha. Thus total 62 combinations of this doshas were mentioned. That is, the vriddhi or kshaya avastha of this doshas are making 62 combinations based on the taratamya bheda. And there is one more combination, that is 63rd combination, that is when these all doshas are in the samanya sthana, or when they are in the samavastha. That condition we call it as swasthya, or the healthy condition. When these all the 3 doshas are in the samavastha, the person will be having the healthy state, and we call it as swasthya. And when this 1 or 2 or 3 doshas undergo vriddhi or kshaya, it becomes the abnormal condition and the disease manifestation takes place. So the 62 combinations of doshas in either vriddhi or kshaya avastha, and the 63rd combination when all these 3 doshas are in the samavastha, and we consider it as swasthya. So thus 63 combinations of doshas are being mentioned in this chapter. संसर्गात् रसरुधिरादिभिः तथेषां दोषांस्तु क्षयसमता विवृद्धिभेदैः आनन्त्यं तरतमयोगतश्च यातान् जानीयात् अवहितमानसो यथास्वम्. संसर्गात् रस रुधिरादिभिः तथा येषां दोषान् तु क्षय समता विवृद्धि भेदैः आनन्त्यं तरतमयोगतः च यातान् जानीयात् अवहित मानसो यथास्वम्. संसर्गात् रस रुधिरादिभिः तथा येषां दोषान् तु क्षय समता विवृद्धि भेदैः आनन्त्यं तरतमयोगतः च यातान् जानीयात् अवहित मानसो यथास्वम्. So the different combinations of doshas has been mentioned, and it has been mentioned that 63 combinations of doshas are present. And when these doshas are having the association with the rasa, ruthira, etc. dhatus, and also doshan to kshaya, samata, vivriddhi, bhedehi, and based on the samata or vriddhi or kshaya, anantyam taratama yokataha cha yatan. And thus based on all these combinations, there can be innumerable number of dosha combinations. Janiyat avahita manaso, and the physician should understand them by avahita manasa. That is, by very attentive mind, the physician has to understand the signs and symptoms of these combinations. The combinations of doshas by itself has been mentioned as 63 combinations based on the taratama bhava. And when these doshas combine with the rasadi dhatus, and also when they combine with the malas, that too with the samavastha or kshayavastha or vriddhi avastha, the innumerable number of combinations can be produced. So these all combinations has to be understood by the physician with an attentive mind. He should not misunderstand, or he should examine the patient as well as the roga very thoroughly, and then only he should go for the management. So this is the combination of doshas which are being mentioned. So thus ends this chapter. Iti Shri Vaidyapati Simhagupta Suna Srimad Vagbhata Virachitayam Ashtanga Hridaya Samhitayam Sutrasthane Dosha Bhediyo Nama Dwadasho Adhyayah. Thus the 12th chapter of Sutrasthana of Ashtanga Hridaya has been mentioned, that is Dosha Bhediya Adhyaya. As the name tells, dosha bhetiya, the bhedas or the different types of doshas has been mentioned. That is, the first, the sthana of dosha, the different types of each dosha with their sthana and karma has been mentioned, and how the diseases are being manifesting. What are the chaya, prakopa and prashamana lakshanas of each dosha, and how these doshas are attaining the chaya, prakopa and prashamana, and how they are moving in the sharira, and regarding the roga markas, and how these doshas are producing various kinds of diseases has been mentioned. And later the different types of diseases has been mentioned, that is trivida vyathis, that is doshaja, karmaja and dosha karmaja, and also the two types of vyathis such as swatantra vyathis and paratantra vyathis has been mentioned. Later, how to examine the roga and rogi has been mentioned. Different factors such as dosha, dushya, desha, kala, bala, anala, such different factors has been mentioned, which has to be thoroughly examined by the physician before managing the diseases. And similarly, the guru and lakhu vyathis has also been mentioned, which we should not get misunderstand, and the proper management should be given. And finally, the different combinations of doshas has also been mentioned in this chapter. Thus, the chapter called as Dosha Bhediya Adhyaya of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana is being described. Today we have completed the 12th chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana. The detailed notes of this chapter is being provided in the Telegram channel Ayur Samveda. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.